Let's get to the media slamming today's jobs report. It was an ugly number. It was a difficult number. And look at here are the headlines coming in. We want to take this to Bill McGurn. Bill, your take on this. They're not talking about now 7 million more job openings and wages the fastest growth in a decade.
Look, it's a bad report, right, in terms of the numbers, especially what was expected. But to go by monthly job reports, it's kind of like going by the market. You know, you're going to have fluctuations. I think the wage information is a good deal for American workers. You know, we keep talking about how they haven't gained, but they're gaining here. So it's more complex, and we'll see if it's revised later. You know, from my informal gatherings, talking to businessmen, I mean, they're talking about how hard it is to find workers. I think that there's still a demand out there for...
Yeah, the government shut down the weather, inability to find
there's
workers.
I mean, we won't know for probably another 2 or 3 months, you know, see if it's revised.
And here's the other thing. Americans for Tax Reform, Grover Norquist's group, says 90% of American workers are seeing higher take-home pay. Right. Nearly 800 examples of pay raises, bonuses, 401k matches, and all of that. Go ahead.
That's what you have in growth. I mean, what you have in growth is the tight labor market and more demand for labor, and wages go with productivity. And that's why growth is so important, because workers can't really get ahead without growth. It's not just having a job, it's the competition for the jobs and so forth, and the opportunities and the growth and productivity.
Well, you know the politicization of this is going to happen, that American workers getting slammed. I mean, but lots of companies are giving pay raises. We're a fully employed economy.
Look, if you talk to any businessman, the biggest challenge he has is labor, attracting and retaining talented people, right? And that's still a big problem. And the tighter the labor market gets, the better it is for workers. Wouldn't you rather have 10 people trying to offer you a job than just one?
I'm going to push you. I'm going to test your intelligence and your history knowledge here.
Yeah,
what socialist communist country has more job openings than workers?
It just doesn't. More job openings than workers. Gee.
Any?
I don't know. I don't know. I doubt it. I mean, that's the problem when you don't grow the pie. I mean, that's the difference between socialism. Limited pie, slices get smaller and smaller, and when you have growth, it grows the pie and everyone's better
Europe's
off.
in recession, right? And
most of it,
like 1% growth. Yeah.
Right.
I mean, but
we're about the only place that's really growing. I mean, that's what makes the growth sort of all the more remarkable. It's not built off the rest of the world.
It's a good point. I mean, we know that Russia and China have been moving to be capitalists, and, you know, again, millions of jobs created since Election Day. Here's the thing. What the backdrop of this is that the U.S. is moving in credit cycles. There have been about 4 of them since 1945, since World War II. That's the way to look at it, right? And we're in like the 7th or 8th inning of that.
Right. No,
for the latest
look, and there are some concerns. I think the trade deal is a concern. You know, people don't want a disruption. China's an important trading partner. We're an important trading partner for China. So I think there are some concerns. But you know, if you had told us that this is where we'd be 3 years ago, I think people would say this is incredible, right? You have to look at the whole run.
Yeah, that's a good point. Well, so your final take on, you know, the politicization of these.
Well, they're always going to be politicized. And look, when you're in an administration, you tout the good jobs numbers of the monthly report, you tout the good market, but that's a dangerous thing to do.
I want your reaction to the far left Democrats. They did not win the Democrats a House. 40 moderate Democrats did. Rashid Tlaib, Omar, and Alexandria Cortez come from Democrat districts. And now you've got Cortez fundraising off the anti-Semitism controversy with Omar, and you've got Omar ripping into Obama. What is your take? What's your reaction when you hear all that?
Well, it feels like I'm in an Evelyn Waugh novel, right? So, you know.
What do you mean? What do you mean by that?
Well, I mean, it's just, it's so surreal what they're doing. Congresswoman Omar utters these, I think, classically anti-Semitic tropes, right? They move to have a resolution to condemn her. There's not enough votes in the Democratic Party to do that. So they throw in all this stuff, basically trying to implicate Trump, Charlottesville, and so forth. She votes for the resolution herself, and she's out on top. You know, where's the apology? There's nothing. It's a farce. I think the problem the Democrats have is not the Congresswoman. The problem is that she's speaking to a considerable part of the Democratic base. Remember, in the convention years ago, they booed Jerusalem as the capital. A lot of these people support the boycott and divest and sanctions movement. There's a lot of that, and I think that's their big problem. I mean, the next convention is going to be very difficult
but
for
they
them.
make George McGovern and Walter Mondale,
Yeah.
who lost in a landslide, look conservative, right?
And I think, President Obama had sufficient authority in the party to tamp it down, and so did Hillary, but not now.
Bill McGurn of the Wall Street Journal, love having you on. Thank you so much for coming in.